iodine in the halogen family. My audience is, well, it's a diary entry, and that's the format, and the topics are meeting families and wanting to improve on their self.
Okay.
Dear Diary, these past few days have been very interesting. Of course, our iodine and acetine baby Flooring is still being very reactive, and her brother Bromine, get it? No one? Okay. Is still less
I'm with
reactive.
you.
Fluorine was and probably will be the most reactive. Her older sister Chlorine helps keep pools clean. Altogether, we are a great family. We give to the needy, a whole 1 electron. We're too kind. We give away so much I feel like we're floating normally, like air. I'll admit, at certain times we can be very brittle like most non-elements, but no one is perfect. I also ran into my close friend, Oxygen, from Group 16. Oxy has a family now. Even though she's very reactive, she helps people breathe and not die from thirst, so that's good. She gives away 2 electrons. A good family holds with her. Selenium is doing well, being used in cameras now, and polonium is used to eliminate static. Her daughter, tellurium, is so rare. I've barely seen any of her, and she's good. Her sister, sulfur, is much less creative since she is the 10th most abundant element in the world. A couple hours later, I ran into the carbon family. Carbon's fine, a common friend. Their family usually gives away 4 electrons, but they're just doing it for the media. Nothing's really interesting because silicon is the 7th most abundant element, lead is non-rare, and germanium is a semiconductor, which is useful to make electronic devices, but that's kind of cool. 10 resist corrosion, which is good. Their family is a more common friend. Right before I came home, I ran into the nitrogen family, group 15. They have one valence electron. Nitrogen helps people clean toilets. Phosphorus can be poisonous because there are 3 different types, which are black, white, and red. Arsenic is also poisonous, and antimony is a poor conductor, and bismuth is used to treat very sick people. How disgusting. That family really needs to get it together since they have 5 valence electrons. Hopefully they find better roles. So as I stated, it was a very interesting day. I hope in my family that fluorine will find a friend to combine with, maybe hydrogen, so they can work in water solutions. Then acetine could continue being used as a radioactive tracer in cancer treatment. Then I could focus on iodine myself. I can reduce harmful accumulation of substances that are radioactive taking place in the thyroid. Bromine could also take place in water purification. Maybe since chlorine does, that would be what they do in the family. We all have